Okay, so I said I would enjoy doing more tool reviews or just kind of tool talk videos. And it just so happens that when I came home from work today, this Wiha box was sitting outside the front door. So I'm sure any of you that follow tools and whatnot are aware that they had their Vito Stabila team up kind of thing recently, and took a little while to get here, but it's finally here. And I thought we'd take a first look at it together. Hopefully, actually, I'll turn that heater off here. It'll take a second to die down. Oh, this thing's gonna be amazing. Oh. Boom. So again, it's the Tech MCT. I don't really need to go over that too much, I don't think. It is a quality bag, I'm sure of it. I have several other Vitos. I do not have the MCT, I have the MC, which you can see a video of my pack out in it, or load out. I missed out on the first collab they did with Vito, which would have been super cool, but I was happy when they came out with this. So let's take a look. This side we've got the strap. Not too much exciting stuff in here. This would be where all the goodies are, I would say. Oh yeah. Here we are with some Wiha stuff. Let's take a look at the individual things here. We have the Wiha, hopefully you guys can see this okay. The mini driver and bit set. That's actually a super nice little metal tin. That's with that one. The demagnetizer / magnetized thing for a screwdriver. I don't know if does work. That's pretty cool. I do not have either of those. If you guys follow me on Instagram at all, you know that I have the pliers wrench that I just used on a trip down to Newfoundland, which the more and more I use them, they're unbelievable. So this is an amazing pickup. I'm super thrilled to get this one. I do not have a Nipex this big either. So that's nice. We also have here their stubby, which looks like it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like a 14-in-1, maybe a 15 with a little nut driver here, I guess. There's all the bits, right? Just your standard stuff, right? We have a 11-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver. I have the slimline insulated one, which is pretty cool. This is you get a couple different. Does the shank come out? Oh yeah. So this is similar, like I see a lot of guys have the Klein one, right? Not too shabby. Bunch of different bits. decent screwdriver, which again, I don't have the stubby and I don't have that multi-bit either. Here's your, like, I guess just the regular small drivers, right? Again, with the base that you can plant in your hand and spin the screwdriver. This is always in my pocket. I use this a ton, and actually I took a little nick out of that recently. Three nut drivers. Looks like a quarter, 5/16, and 3/8. I do have this 3/8 already. Again, I've had that on Instagram. We got a little Torx driver here. Oh, that is handy. Not sure if you guys have these. Part number looks like a 363 P7. Again, I hope you guys can see this. This is kind of my first go at this. But you see this little green tab here. Instead of digging in like this, right? You push that green tab in and look at how they kick out over here. That's a nice little touch. Very nice. Some more bits. Some nice little cases here, right? That clicks in, push the little Wiha symbol. I guess I'm doing it backwards. It shows down. Some more Torx. Got a couple Phillips and 2 red Robbies, which is nice here in Canada. Use that a lot. 2 full-size screwdrivers, a number 2 Phillips, and a pry bar or a standard screwdriver. They both have striking caps, which I actually don't really have. Actually, I might have a couple Wiha, the black and yellow screwdrivers. I think those are striking caps too. Then what else we got for Wiha? We got a couple pair of cutters. Is this locking? Oh, neat. Oh, so you must have, these are like a high leverage. Get a little extra power on there. And then, oh yeah, okay. 200% cutting power. That's neat. I'll be able to put those up against those snap-on high leverage ones with the real long neck on them that I use, which a couple of you laughed at me for on rope jobs on Instagram. You can never have enough needle nose. And I have to say, I love these classic Wiha grips. Very nice, very nice. 5-year warranty, which is unbelievable with these. Nice sticker. I gotta get somewhere in here in the garage for the sticker. And believe it or not, this is my first Stabila level. I have never owned one before, as I was never really big into the construction scene. It's magnetic, pretty strong too. But I'm actually slowly doing a little more, not really construction, but service, repair, replacement, little mods like door operators and stuff like that. Could have used this on the boat with that door operator instead of using a measuring stick over and over again. This, out of all of this, second to the tool bag, this was the most exciting thing to get in it. And That is all we get for the tools. What do we got here? This is the metal tag for my 2020 limited edition toolkit. Number 149 of 300. I sure hope you guys can see that, because I'm going to feel like an idiot if you can't. Alright, I guess that's it for the Wiha Tech MCT. I will most likely be packing this back up and having my boys wrap it up and put it under the tree for me. Let me know in the comments if any of you other fathers out there maybe purchase a few of your own tools to have wrapped under the tree. Okay, anyways, please subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you guys want more tool stuff, or we just stick strictly with the elevator service call, elevator stuff. But thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.